Okay, review tayo for coming civil service exam. Ang sagutan natin itong 2 problems para patuloyan po tayo ma-review. Okay, number 1, what is the estimated product when 162 and 826 are rounded to the nearest hundred and multiplied? Okay, pagdating sa civil service exam, marami po talaga ang math. So, solve po natin. Sabi nga dito, i-run off niyo muna daw itong 162 and 826 to the nearest hundred at saka natin i-multiply. So, 162, i-run off natin yan at itong 826. So, dito, ito yung ones, ito yung tens, at ito yung hundreds, yung 1. So basically, ang i-run off dito sa problem, nearest 100. So ang run off niya 162. Since 6 itong tens niya, magiging 200 yan. Okay. So dito naman, 826. Pag i-run off natin into the nearest 100, so itong tens niya is 2. So magiging 800 lang yan. Sabi niyo sa problem, and multiply. So, multiply niyo lang po yan. Ang technique dyan, multiply niyo lang po yung 2 and 8, which is 16. At i-copy niyo lang po kung ilang pong 0. Ayan. So, ilang 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 200 times 800. Apat na 0. Lagi lang po natin. Apat na 0 is equal to 160,000. The answer is letter B. Okay, number 2. What will be the quotient, okay, of 4 and 2/3 and 7/3? So, quotient meaning division po yan. So, i-divide lang po natin yung 4 and 2/3 divided by 7/3. Take note of this division of fraction. Since mixed fraction ito, i-convert lang po natin to improper fraction. So, paano natin gagawin yun? 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. So, equation natin 14 over 3 divided by 7 over 3. Okay, division of fraction tayo. So, meaning pag division of fraction, magiging multiplication po itong division. At itong 7/3, kunin po ninyo yung reciprocal. So, ang magiging equation yan ay 14 over 3 division, magiging multiplication times reciprocal ng 7/3. So, 3, 7. Okay. So, dito, cancel lang natin yung 3. Cancel natin yung 3. So, yun po yung shortcut. At ang maiwan is 14 over 7. So, 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So, ito na po yung sagot, letter B. Okay, I hope nasundan po natin at mga ganito po yung mga sample math problems. Patuloyan po tayo mag-review para pag may nakita po tayong kalintulad na ganitong problem, ay hindi na po tayo mahirapan. And follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam.